Hey there YouTube. Today is Wednesday, the 15th of October 2019, around 11:07 in the morning. And right here you can see I got a little nondescript box here. You can see there's some warning about batteries there on the side. Let's do a quick unboxing, something I hadn't done in a long time. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. I don't know. This is going to be difficult. See if I can do this without chopping my leg off. Alright, I got it open. Let's pop her open. See what's in here. You little air bubbles. Paperwork. And there it is. You can see it. Number 8. I got an 8. An 8 what? GoPro 8. Yeah, and you can see in here, they do give you an SD card. Let's see. What size is this joker? My eyes are bad. I gotta look at it. All right. Here, we'll do this by the window. Okay, that's a 32 gig card. Hopefully that's coming through. What says it right there? I couldn't see that before. So anyway, did get a card with it. Let's do a quick unboxing. And there's the box. Hypersmooth 2. There's the settings there. 12 megapixel, 4K 60, 33 feet, 1080 live streaming. There's some stuff on the right hand side from the front. Here's the back. And then the other side got all of these little things. Alright. So let's see. How do we open this thing? Alright, yeah, you do rip it out from under the bottom. See, there's the camera up there on this little plastic thing they always use. But let's pop it off of here. You get a nice long bolt there. There's the camera. Got a nice picture on the back of it. You can see there. There's the 8 on the side. Here she is on the front. And just the battery door on that side. Alright, in here you can see down in the box, okay? So you get one little curved adhesive thing. There's the battery. You can see it's got that blue tip on it like I've seen on the videos. So sure enough. Alright, so anyway, then you get this USB cord here with it. And yeah, down there's always books. I buried them under that last thing. That's the last thing in the box. And so you get GoPro Plus. Some little quick instruction guide there. You need help. GoPro stickers. And the little booklet itself, somewhat thick actually. I imagine a bunch of different languages though. That's what they always do in those things. Alright, so there's the 8. So there's the battery. Tell you what, let's do. Alright, you see this charger right here? This is the charger that I use. You can see it's a Wasabi. But I use it to do all my GoPro 5 batteries. Now if I punch that thing right in there, okay, it does fit. Alright, let's you and me take it over here. Unplug that. And here, I'll show this on there as I plug this in. And there, you see a red light and a couple of greens. So it is charging that GoPro battery. So if you've got a charger that will charge your 5 batteries, 6 batteries, 7 batteries, it'll also do the 8 batteries. So we'll let that charge, and then we'll start testing this thing. Alright, stay tuned. Hey there YouTube. It's Wednesday, the 16th of October 2019. It's a little bit before 5 in the evening. If you look up here on my hat, you'll see that I've got a GoPro Hero 8 there. So here's the plan. I'm on my Lectric bike. I'm going to ride and test this stabilization on this thing. Right now, the stabilization is off on it. I'm going to ride through here. There's a bunch of gravel on down through the hill and through that other gravel pit way down through there. I know you can't even see it from here, but that's my plan. And then I'm going to ride the same thing back with the Hyper Boost, as they call it, on, and we'll give this thing a test. So let's go do that. Okay, now let's take off. So this is at I'm at 1080p and 30 frames a second, and the Hyper Boost is not on, and this is quite bumpy that I'm on. That's why I chose this. And you can see down through here it gets even bumpier. Alright, so remember, the Hyper Boost is off. So right now I don't have stabilization. So this should be fairly cruddy footage. Alright, we're going to go through one more little gravel area right up here. Okay, here's the gravel area, okay? Okay, that's enough of the bouncing and banging around. So now I'm going to turn around. Okay, so now Hypersmooth is on. And I'm going to ride back to where I started. So we'll go through this way, and it's extremely bumpy still. So all this should look familiar to you. And we'll just ride through all that stuff we just got through. Okay? Now we got the next bit of lumpiness coming up right here. Really bumpy. Wow. All right. My goodness. Wow. That was a ton of bumpiness. Okay. So right up here, we're to the end of it. All right. So that's riding the same area with the Hypersmooth off and the Hypersmooth on. I think I called it Hyper Boost before. All right. Okay. This time we're going to do it different. I have now got the Hypersmooth on, and I've got this on the end of a selfie stick here. So hopefully you can see me here. I'm going to take off. Try to hold this thing as best I can. And I don't know how this is going to come out. But here we come to a real bumpy part right here. This is way more difficult than it looks, let me tell you. Another little bit of a bumpy part right here. And here, just to show you, I'm riding by the same place. But hopefully the sun don't blind you too much. We got that away. And you can see me going to town here. Here, I'll show you the bike stuff here. And the bumpiness that we're about to go through. So let's take a look at this. Whew! Hard to hold that handle. Okay, so that was that way. All right, let's turn around. Okay,
The Hypersmooth is off. We're going to ride back through, and I think I'm going to test the audio on this thing at the same time, because I got my audio going on right here, and I'll switch it back and forth, and I'll say when. Okay, so let's start out. All right, already a little bit bumpy, but here we go through some more serious, more bumpy. I have to try to hold this with two hands because it wants to get away from me big time, and I'm trying to hold this straight, but boy, is it difficult. I never use a selfie stick. In fact, I didn't use this thing literally for years. So we'll see if it pays off holding on to it. All right, we're going to get one more bumpy here. Let's go ahead and test the sound, okay, on the GoPro now. So how does this sound going with this bumpy stuff? And hopefully the voice sounds good on it. All right, now I'm going to go back to my recorder right now, and let's go ahead and see how that sounds. And I'm going up this hill here, and we're getting ready to hit some more bumpy stuff, and right in here. And if I record it, it should sound good. And now let's go on back to the GoPro, try that again. Right, now that we're still a little bit bumpy stuff here, so is this sounding good? I hope it is. We got a fairly stiff wind, actually, probably at least 6-7 mile an hour wind. So we'll see how that works as well. And here's the last bumpy part. Let's just give this a try, and hopefully we'll see what this test does. All right, so I'll be trying a lot more stuff with this, but I just wanted to get this out today because I just got this GoPro today, and I want to see how this Hypersmooth, if this is real or not, from my own point of view. Catch you on the next one.